Welcome to BarEl software. This is the continuation of the demonstration of how BarEl software works in performing human resource functions. I'll show you how BarEl software helps in preparing personal emoluments budget. Please watch and listen attentively. Yeah. The basic salary, let us say, is 8 million. $8 million per month, which you can put it here as 8 million. Let us say number on grades is 2. Number of borders on post, let us say again is 2. Number of borders on chart of accounts is 2. Let's say the increment date is first December. And let us say the increment rate is 5. Number of periods before increment, let us say is 5. Number of periods after increment, 7. Total to be 2. Total leave, leave grant according to this is 40,000. You can see here it's 40,000. No, 40,000. So you can see that budget has been prepared of personal emoluments using this form automatically. Now let us check the report of this. Let us save this one. Maybe let me put five individuals. Let us say there are 5 individuals. 5 individuals for this one. So that is the budget. Let us go to the reports. You can see that the budget for those on this post and at this grade is 54 million 200,000. Thank you very much for watching and listening attentively.